The Bitcoin price has been pumping all weekend, and so has crypto. In this video, we are going to delve right into see what's busy going on and what you should be doing. And of course, we will have a look at my trades that I'm in, maybe take some profits on them. We will have a little bit of a look together. Other than that, thank you for being here with me, you blessed, benevolent, special souls. Let's rock on this video today. And I hope you guys all had a really good week, strong end. I just did that video for you on the guys on the strong end. I needed a little bit of a break just to tap out of everything for a moment. And that's exactly what I did. But I still came to you and I did a short little video for you. No matter what, I'm going to be there doing some sort of video and content for you guys. If you guys have been missing out on the longer videos that I've been doing for you, I'm pretty confident you don't want to be missing out on those. Anyways, happy Monday to you all. Let's delve right into this video today. Today, we are going to have a look at the cryptocurrency market cap. We are currently sitting at about 1.212 trillion, which is pretty decent. $48.5 million in trading volume. As you can see, Bitcoin is sitting now well over 30,000, which is juicy, absolutely beautiful, and is currently up 10% over the last 7 days, guys, which is incredible. So the fear and greed index is sitting now at 53 for the day. Not much change since yesterday. And we're still in the neutral zone. The crypto bubbles today, the only one that's been taken a beating is Hex, really, and Rollbit a little bit. But other than that, pretty much stable. We've got Link jumping, Injective jumping, Rune jumping, Phantom jumping, Matic jumping. And I have been in a Matic trade for a little while, so we'll have a little bit of a look at that in a little moment. All right, guys, so lots of news to share with, not lots of news, but just a few things that I wanted to share with you. There's been a few things that has been happening. So Bitcoin is eyeing 31K as gold offers bullish cues. The interest rate sensitive assets such as gold are seeing bullish momentum in a positive sign for Bitcoin, as one observer had said already. So Bitcoin continues to gain ground, and it's reached, it reached just under 31,000 today. So prices are up 14% for the month, with gold registering a much lesser 6.7% gain. Gold, however, picked up a bid a week before Bitcoin as the outbreak of tensions between Israel and Hamas, alongside continued speculation about the end of the Fed tightening cycle, signaled an inflationary regime ahead. So rates are the biggest mover in macro right now, but surprisingly, rate-sensitive assets such as gold are also seeing bullish momentum. This bodes well for BTC. So as good as this is, there's a lot of stuff that has been happening out there in the space, and gold is pumping, but at the end of the day, it's not. If we look at this, the SEC are likely to approve spot Bitcoin ETF in the next few months, and JP Morgan actually said likely before the 10th of January, which is the final deadline for ARK21 shares. So, guys, we are literally less than 3 months away, okay, from having a Bitcoin spot ETF approved. Now, as we've been seeing, are spot Bitcoin ETFs good for the likes of BlackRock? We know that it's not going to be good, because once they have it approved, it is going to control the market. So we will have a look at all of these things in a little moment, okay? But for now, we are all excited. Grayscale will likely face greater pressure to lower fees if the trust gets approved to be converted into an ETF. So, those are cool things, guys. As you can see here, I was busy looking for Stock Money Lizards. I couldn't find him today, but over here, on this little chart from Michael Saylor, as you guys can see, big tech, Bitcoin is beating big tech, and not by Bitcoin beat big tech by 6x here, guys, more than 6x, 7x, okay, more than 7x even, okay, as you can see here. So this was a post from Michael Saylor. Hope you guys are watching, because Bitcoin is already up 147%, okay, whereas NASDAQ is 18%. It's not doing very, very well. And what does Robert Kiyosaki think about Bitcoin? Shout out to you, Robert Kiyosaki and Michael Saylor. Gold will soon break through 2,100 and then take off. You will wish you had bought gold below 2,000. Next stop for gold is 3,700. Bitcoin testing 30,000. The next stop for Bitcoin is 135,000. Silver from 23 to 68 an ounce. Savers of fake dollars are effed. Please tell your friends to wake up and take care. Guys, I hope you're watching this, and I hope you are looking and listening to the people that have more industry expertise than what we do. We're only here sharing what we think and feel will be happening. And of course, feeling is not the right word. But if we go and have a look at the dollar is undoubtedly hitting resistance here at this zone right here. So, like I said, break through this little neckline, collapse down. Okay, very, very simple here, guys. Now, let's go and look at the S&P, because the S&P is actually very, very bearish right now. And as you can see, we're pulling down. We're busy testing this neckline. We're actually breaking out of this channel here, as you can see. And this has been a long-term supporting channel, guys, which for me means that, you know, when you break a channel, where's the target? The target is all the way down at the end of the channel. And that might be down here, which would be very, very bad for the S&P, but not necessarily for Bitcoin, okay? And why I say that is because it almost looks as though Bitcoin has been decoupling from the S&P at the moment. Now, if we have a look at this Bitcoin index chart, you can see here, as I've been showing you, we have been pumping, but we have been pumping with an RSI that has been overbought and overextended now. Plus, we have come into levels of resistance here. Plus, we are at a very, very critical point here at the 31K level. So we reached up here to 31,000. We hit the 31,000 level, okay, which is beautiful. And we've pulled back ever so slightly from that. Now, this is the BTC market cap dominance, guys. I've been showing you cup and handle pattern for a very, very long time now, okay, since June, actually. And as you guys can see here, what I have drawn is, it looks like we're finding support here. So we had a little bit of a pullback. We're finding some support on the breakout zone. Are we going to continue the Bitcoin dominance heading towards the upside? That is a very, very high possibility when you look at this chart, the simple chart that I've got for you guys on in terms of a breakout, because we broke out of the RSI over here, plus we broke out literally right here. That's the point where we broke out. We've been pushing up, but it seems as though we've been pushing up based on the fake news that we had with this candle, but it has been pushing us up ever since. So we are coming into resistance, guys. I have no doubt that essentially we're probably going to end up being rejected from here. There will be a little bit of short-term volatility. So I do like what Robert Kiyosaki is saying about 135K. Although my personal viewers, I've said to you guys, it will probably go at the end of the next bull cycle, probably at about 285 to 300K per Bitcoin. So is it going to be significant with the small volatility levels? No. So guys, if it pulls back, buy some more at the low. And if you guys want to buy some more, use my Bitflex link, my Bybit link down below. You can buy on spot, you can buy on derivatives, perpetuals, whatever you like. You can get an incredible bonus by using those links down below. So remember to use those links, because you will get free money to invest more into Bitcoin, guys. It is so easy and so simple. So I do see us coming to have a little bit of a pullback. Where will the pullback be? Probably down to this zone right here. I would say probably at least the breakout level, 28,000, 27,500, okay? I don't see us breaking this trend line. This trend line has held and maintained its composure. And every single time we bounced off of that trend line, we actually end up making higher moves, as you guys can see here, every single time. So I think there will be short-term volatility over the next couple days while we're waiting for the Federal Reserve to announce the interest rate decisions on the 1st of November. I do believe it is. Guys, XRP has been pumping as well, and we are in the same position. Crypto in general is pumping. I showed you guys on Twitter, my Twitter page, that I took profits, and on my YouTube page that I took profits on my Solana trade because it hit my take profit. I'm not going to sit in trades, and this is leverage trades. I'm not talking about spot. I still own all my spot, haven't even sold one little bit of my spot, okay? But because Solana has run into this heavy zone of resistance on this purple box here, guys, of course I wanted to take profits. So I took profits. Yes, Saturday's, this candle here, boom, smashed my take profit. Oh, take profit, and I was out. I was literally chilling hard doing nothing, and I got, boom, take profit. So thanks for that. And I hope you guys managed to get the trade too, because I ended up taking quite a chunk of profit. I mean, ended up being quite high. Yeah, it was about 150, 145, 150%. I can't quite remember. But as you can see, we haven't broken this high here. My personal view is we're very overextended right now. We might see some pullback and retracement back down here, which is going to give us one or two last opportunities to probably, between now and the Federal Reserve interest rate, I have a strong feeling that we're going to see the markets pull back a little bit. And then when the Federal Reserve announces the interest rates, we're probably going to have some crazy pump, because I have a strong feeling that they're not going to do anything. They're going to continue to remain paused. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear what you guys think. So this is the S&P, guys. I showed you the S&P. The S&P is looking dangerously bearish right now. And if I have to go and show you gold, gold is doing something interesting too. Okay, so gold currently, as we can see here, actually formed a cup pattern here. Okay, cup, and it's formed its handle pattern, and it's now probably going to retrace a little bit, probably back down to 1900 before it makes a very, 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 very strong move up to this 2100. Before it's rejected at that level, comes back down to this level, and then makes a very strong move up, like Robert Kiyosaki said. And previously I said to you guys, that would be the target up here at about 2,360, 2,400. That will be my next target for gold. So very interesting to see those charts playing out. Guys, if you are enjoying the video, I would love to see some love from you, the beautiful community, helping us at this moment, because obviously with the bearish trends that are busy happening, cryptocurrency YouTube channels are being suppressed. The algorithms are not helping the channels grow. So you guys are the community. You guys should be helping the community grow. And by doing that, you will help us all become more successful, more energized to do more content like this for you guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying that. In the meantime, let's go and have a look at the trades. But before I do that, I would love to know if you have any trades down below. Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. All right, guys. So this is my Bybit account, and I'm showing you my Bybit account because it's my smaller trades. Once again, I'll have to log back in here. Okay, so as you can see here, now you want to know why I took my profits on my Solana trade. Well, this is a bearish candle at a resistance point with a strong volume move down here. So you guys can see, I'm now in 3 of my trades, still my Bitcoin. I might take a little bit of chips off the table here and then re-add them back at the position I was showing you guys on the chart. My Matic is not in much profit because it was a very, very small, look here. What did I do? I only entered $1 into this trade. This is what I'm saying to you guys. So I heard some stuff on Crypto Banter channel. Sorry to hear that you guys are going through so much trouble, but they were showing the community, they want the community to do thousands and thousands of volume in trading, but that's what the sponsorships want. But people also want to see how to grow an account from $1, how to grow from $10 to $100, from $100 to $1,000, from $1,000 to $10,000, $10,000 to $50,000. People want to see that. This is how you do that for these people. So if you guys appreciate that love, make sure you are subscribed to the channel to continue to get love like that. You can see here that my XRP trade is up 20%. My Matic trade is up 43%. And my Bitcoin trade is up 43% at the moment, guys. So it's looking juicy. It's looking good. But it does look like we will get a bit of retracement and rejection in crypto from this point, probably for the next couple of days. And that's okay, guys. It's okay. Don't worry about it. You can short the market if you like. Use my links down below. I hope you guys appreciated this video. Much love, beautiful, benevolent blessings to you all. And we will see you on the next one. And make sure to check these ones out. They were just as good as this one. Love you all. Take care and have a beautiful start to the Monday. And remember, I have my live show tonight at 7 o'clock GMT time, Johannesburg time. So I hope you guys can come ahead and join me on that live. We'll see you on the next one.